Do you rely on and seek emotional fulfillment from those around you? Are you resistant to change and react negatively when your routine is disturbed? Is your satisfaction attached to preconceived notions and unrealistic expectations? With this course, you will understand and experience that it is our inner security that regulates us and gives us a sense of well-being. We need not rely on anyone outside of ourself. Stability allows us to be patient as life unfolds, less reactive, less volatile to what is external to our being as we learn to accept life as it is. A strong foundation helps us maintain our spiritual connection when the winds of change blow powerfully in our lives.